Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing some issues with Google Maps, or for some reason your data isn't working. It doesn't seem like nothing is working and it doesn't detect your location. Well, there's a couple things you can do in this case. The very first thing I would recommend doing is making sure you have a solid internet connection. So you may be somewhere where for some reason your data connection isn't working. Most of the time it is through GPS, but if you have a really bad signal, this could mean that your GPS signal is also bad. So I'd recommend making sure you have a solid network connection. Make your way over to your settings app and verify that you're connected to a good network or cell connection or whatever the case is. Now, at this point, what you want to do, what I would highly recommend you guys to do, is make your way back into your settings app. So you'll come into this little panel. You want to click on the apps panel. So there's a little apps panel right here. You want to go and click there. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your maps specific app. Now, once you're here, you'll see a couple of different things that come up, but the specific things that you want to take a look at is right here where it says permissions. So you want to go ahead and click on permissions right here, and you want to make sure that your location is allowed on the specific app. So you can see location right here. You want to click on location and you want to allow all the time. You can even click allow only while using the app, but you want to click allow all the time. That's what I have it set for. That way, Google can go ahead and accurately predict your location and access your location from your specific app. If you have this as none or done, deny, whatever, then it's not going to work out well because it's not going to know where you're at. So you want to make sure you have your location on, and then at that point, you should be good to go. What I would recommend doing at that point is clicking force stop and force stopping this specific application at that point. Then you want to make your way back into the Google Maps application and see if it's actually working this time, if it knows where you're at and all that stuff. Now, if that's still not working, I would highly recommend you to go into your Google Play Store just like so. You want to type in Maps and you want to get into Google Maps and you want to update your specific Google Maps application. This may actually end up fixing it for you. I've seen this happen time and time again. And if you go ahead and actually, update it, this may actually end up fixing the issues for you as well. So that's essentially how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.